We know that in that repairs and maintenance journey, the most important part of it is good diagnosis. So we want to work with askporter to get that first experience for the customer right. I'm Karen Heaney. I'm the Director of Investment and Compliance at Legal & General Affordable Homes. Our operating model is about not just building and bringing in new homes, but creating a really good service for our customers. Something that is very customer focused, very centred around the customer, but using technology and data to really drive that experience from our customers and delivering something that's efficient at the same time. Brawley's a platform, the end-to-end housing management platform that we've designed. We integrated askporter into the customer portal. The key outcomes that we've seen are speed and diagnosis. It is phenomenally quick from the customer engaging with My Brawley and with the askporter flows, to creating a work order, to allocating that work order directly to a supplier. It's virtually instantaneous. The askporter flow takes seconds.
I'm Kieran and I work at Legal & General Affordable Homes as a Senior Change and Implementation Lead. We use askporter in two different ways. The first way is to ensure that our customers are able to raise repairs and defects, and the other way is to allow our business internally to understand the types of repairs and defects that come into the business in terms of our defects team. One of the big things we have seen is that their response times of being able to actually go back to the customer is a lot quicker. Our customers are finding that the journey is a lot smoother, and when they are speaking with our management providers, we can hear in their tone of voice that they're a lot happier because they can self-serve. They're finding it a lot easier because they can do it whilst they're at work on just a chatbot rather than having to be on the phone and having to speak to somebody and wait on hold. And that's probably a key element because they're being able to save their own time as well as being able to save ours, because we can focus on the repairs whilst they're going away and actually raising those repairs.
Our suppliers have been wowed by the capability that the platform offers.
The key way that askporter helps support us internally is by creating work orders, and within those work orders it has information about our components down to the level of detail about what type of boiler it may be, what type of tap it may be. So when our engineers go out, rather than using typical piece of paper or document that we may have, they can just go to a work order and understand the ins and outs of that.
By the customer logging into the portal and engaging askporter and providing that diagnostic really quickly, it connects the engineer and the end supplier directly to what the customer has set out in their diagnostic. So the customer and the end supplier, the tradesman that's actually going to fix the problem for the customer, are very close, and it takes a lot of the noise and the inefficiency out of the process.